Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration on the iCarsoft FR version 2.0 kit. This kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So as you can see, we have the FR version 2.0 kit plugged into the diagnostic port. This is the cable here. We have an ABS light showing on the dashboard of this Peugeot 206. So we're going to use this tool here to actually go ahead and see if we can diagnose the fault and reset the fault code and warning light. So we're going to click on to diagnostics and we're going to select our specific vehicle, which is Peugeot, or manufacturer should I say first of all. Then we go in and choose our specific vehicle. So, oops, back, we need to find 206, which is right there. And what I've selected here is a manual scan, so this is going to manually scan the vehicle, and it will report back with systems that it can actually diagnose and can actually allow us to get further information from. So this might take a minute or two. What we really want to, there was another way to do that. We could have clicked manual scan and then we could have went into the specific system in which we wish to diagnose. That's probably the quicker option, but if you're not necessarily sure about which system you need to diagnose, then by all means click on this automatic scan. But in essence, what we need to do is go into the ABS system of the vehicle. Now I think it's listed as active safety on this tool. So we'll get to that in a moment. We're up to 12 of 18 now. This is quite an older car, so it's probably not going to have very many electronic systems installed. So although it's telling us 18 here, it's scanning for possibility of 18 systems, but it might only come back with a couple. And to see what it reports back with. Okay, so we're now on 18. Any second it should show us a list, and here it is. So it's reported back with 8 potential systems, well 8 systems that we can actually diagnose. We want to get into the active safety, the ABS system. Click on enter, click on read fault code, and we've got a C1330 fault code, right hand front wheel sensor. So the front right hand side, which is where the driver is in this particular car. We had previously diagnosed this fault. We did find, well, there was an ABS sensor there, but we've since taken that out, put a new ABS sensor in, and what we need to do now is simply erase the trouble codes, and once we've done that, we should get rid of the ABS light. So we're going to click on to clear fault memory. Click OK to that. Erase operation done. Now you'll see the ABS light is still showing on the dashboard. What we need to do is, because we are currently interrogating the ABS system with this tool, we need to completely come out of the ABS system, and that will get rid of the ABS light. So watch what happens when I start to back out of here. Generally, if we come back to this screen, there we go, the ABS light has turned off, and that's all thanks to the iCarsoft FR version 2.0 kit. So the kit, as I say, is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.